Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So I did mention in my other video, I think it was like my last Dollar Tree haul, I mentioned that Dollar Tree has been a little dry lately. So especially my Dollar Trees. I don't know about everyone else's, but my Dollar Trees just haven't had anything. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees a couple months ago, well, a couple weeks ago, and literally zip nada. I didn't even pick up anything, so that's crazy for me. I always at least find a couple of new items, but yeah, 2 trips and literally found nothing, and various locations in different cities didn't find anything. So this time around we went to the Dollar Tree. It was very unexpected kind of little trip that we went on yesterday because we needed a couple things, and I found some new goodies and I'm really excited to share them with you guys. So if you want to see what I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. I did need some new hand soap, so I went ahead and picked up this Dial coconut water and mango hydrating hand soap because I was running out and I need a new one. So I did go ahead and pick this up. From what I remember, this is an amazing scent. I also really love the pink one as well, but I thought, why not, girl? Let's try the blue one for now. And again, I remember really liking it, so hopefully that's the vibe. But really love this type of soap, especially the one from Dial. I like this one more than the other soap. If you guys go to the Dollar Tree a lot, you guys know which one I'm talking about. It comes like in a pear scent, I think also like a rose water scent. It is like a bigger kind of packaging. That one is more of a almost like a foamy kind of a product. It doesn't feel like it's really getting into your skin and like coming soap. It's like really weird. So I really love this one more, and it is also hydrating for your skin. So I love the Dial soap. Let's get into like again the miscellaneous products. I picked up another headband from the Dollar Tree. I do have the pink one, which is somewhere back there. I have used it in various like get ready with me videos. So I saw that they had different other colors. They also had a white, and they had more pink, and I saw this blue tone here. So this is more of a sapphire blue. This is stunning. Cannot wait to use it for a get ready with me. I did film this look today using my Shop My Stash makeup for the month of September, and girl, I look like a floating head. I always miscalculate my angles with the video, but today I fixed it. It's like besides the point, but this is amazing. I cannot wait to try it out. I really love that it doesn't hurt my head. It's really nice and like soft. Really love the quality of the headband. I love the color. This one here is from Fashion Accessory, and it's basically just a headband, and this is not one that I would wear out, to be honest. I just would wear it for skincare or when I'm doing my makeup again for get ready with me video. Yeah, look at that. I love this color. Stunning. Why does this color just excite me? It's also my sapphire color. What? It is also my what is it, like birthstone or whatever is sapphire. So I just love this intense blue tone. I just love it. I don't know why this color is exciting me so much. I cannot wait to try it out. Yeah, let me know who your birthstone is down below. That would be really exciting to know. But yeah, amazing. Cannot wait to try it. So I've really been into this blue tone. What is happening? Because it messes with the lighting of my videos. But girl, I picked up some body care products. So this is the Aromatherapy Signature Eucalyptus, I can never say that word, Eucalyptus Mint Scented Body Lotion. So it did come in various colors and scents and stuff, but I went ahead and picked up the blue one. Again, Eucalyptus Mint sounded like really nice. I also saw that they had these here. So this is called this is also the same scent. This is Aromatherapy Signature, that's the brand, Salt Scrub. So I thought this would be really nice for when I shower. So both of these are looking really intriguing, and cannot wait to try these out and let you guys know. I do update you guys in my empties videos when I use up body scrubs or like body lotions or whatever. So yeah, I'll definitely be updating you guys on these products. I don't think I've ever tried anything from that brand. Let me know if you have down below. We also have this. So this is this is from Be Pure. I didn't even notice that. I need to breathe, girl. I just go on a rampage. Okay, this is a green tea infused pumice. I think that's how you say it, pumice stone. So I think this is just like, it says it can be used wet or dry. It says it removes dead skin from feet, hands, and elbows. So cool. So I saw that they had this, and I thought, why not, girl? We all need a little pumice stone or whatever vibe in our collection, just because, and it gives you directions on the back, so I'll definitely be using that. I also noticed that they had these. I hadn't seen these at least I don't remember, at the Dollar Tree. So this is from Sassy and Chic, and this is a precision facial razors. I hope I haven't picked these up before, but I doubt it. So it just comes with 2 pieces in here. They're just like little oval shaped situations. You can open it and it becomes a little razor. I was thinking I can carry this in my purse, and now I would be very careful on like not taking it to a theme park by accident. You definitely cannot take things like this into the park, and we go to the various theme parks a lot, so I have to be careful about that. But maybe just keep one in my car just in case I need it. I do have a little bit of an emergency beauty situation, just like emergency makeup products or whatever, so I'll probably throw some of these in there. Now again, it does come with 2. It's a really great deal that you get 2 in the pack. It looks like so, and then you just kind of like fold it like that. This is so cute. Yes, okay, really love this purchase, and it's definitely going to come in handy, especially like if you're traveling or whatever. They're like the perfect size. I also noticed that they had these are the Be Pure hydrating hand and nail gloves. Now I have said before that I don't really love the like foot ones. The hand ones are like whatever for me, but look at the packaging. It is so cute, and I wanted to bring you guys the new products from the Dollar Tree, so I saw these. And again, I just picked up 1 set of the hand gloves. We also have this printed hair mask. I've never tried the hair mask, so I thought, girl, this is gonna be interesting. It says it has coconut oil, so that looks like that. The packaging is giving me very much like New Year's vibes. I'm just like really excited for the holidays. I don't know what it is. I'm excited for Halloween, as you can tell from my nails. These are from Temu, and I'm just really into the holidays. I don't know why, so I cannot wait to use these and let you guys know. Again, I do update you guys in my empties videos. I also picked up 1 of their hydrating foot mask. Again, all of these have coconut oil, so if you're allergic, be careful. Definitely read the instructions and the ingredients, of course, but other directions and stuff on how to use these is in the back. And I have again used these before. You do keep these on for like 15 to 30 minutes depending on what you're feeling, but again, I did pick up 3 of those. Now let's get into the more like makeup-y products. I didn't find a lot of new makeup, girl. I think I found like maybe like 2 items. I'm sad. They haven't been adding a lot of beauty makeup products, but a lot of beauty products are amazing. Body scrubs and body care and skincare is amazing, but I'm really hoping they add new makeup, especially now that Halloween's coming up. So girl, I've been trying the Sevenail nails press-ons for a while, and they suck. I talked about it in one of my like self-care video. I don't think that's up yet. I don't know. If it is, it's going to be down below. But basically, I've been trying these nails and they suck. They bend, they break. But I saw these here and they just look so beautiful. They're like a French tip. The actual French tip part is like an orangey beige shade. And I did pick up 2 of those because, girl, they're like super cheap and the color themselves are amazing. I'm gonna try them out again. These are definitely not nails that are gonna last on you. So if you, like me, like when I throw on press-ons, I want them to last at least a week, maybe a week and a half. And it's possible, especially if like one falls off, I just glue it back on. It lasts me a long time. However, when they break, it's a little harder because these don't really have a lot of like extra nails to go with. But yeah, I thought, girl, let's try them out. Let's see how long these last. Maybe I just got a flop in the last 2 that I purchased, so let's see how these work. But again, the style got me. It's just such a beautiful style nail. Oh, I forgot, I picked up this Sassy and Chic mini manicure set with case, and I think I've seen these before. I just never picked them up. But again, this is a really great product just to carry in your bag, to keep in your car. You just never know when you're gonna need a nail file. So it comes with a nail clipper, it comes with 1 tweezer, 1 scissor, and 1 cuticle pusher. You never know, girl. Maybe a passenger tells you, hey girl, do you have nail clippers that I can use? It's an emergency, it's a beauty emergency. So just, you know, things to have just in case. So let me get in here. I'm in various colors. The actual products on the inside are not pink, but look at that, how organized and cute those are. Love. So happy with this purchase. I'm definitely gonna get use out of it. You don't know how many times I've needed a nail clipper. I've needed some like eyebrow scissors. You just never know when you're gonna need these things. And an eyebrow plucker, that's amazing. So yeah, also really great if you're gonna be traveling as well. Let's get into like the more makeup-y products. So I saw these, they had various scents and colors and stuff. These are the Other Colors lip oils. I think I own some of these, but these look like they've been reformulated. They just look different to me. So this is the one in dragonfruit. Looks like that. Let's go ahead and get in here. It's like a slight smell to it. Okay, amazing. Love this. Cannot wait to try it. Again, I hope I don't own that one already. And then I noticed, oh gosh, and of course it falls. All right, then I noticed that they had a couple of these Mercier foundations. Now I haven't seen these at the store, so I think I own their setting spray, which you guys have seen. I own their liquid liner, which I really enjoy. It was in my Shop My Stash last month and I really much enjoyed it, as you guys know. So I saw that they had a foundation range. They had a deep dark and they had a really light one, and then I thankfully found this like medium toned one. So this is the Mercier Favorite Essentials Collection Long Wear Foundation. It says it is semi matte finish, and this one here is in light medium skin 104. This definitely was the lightest, I mean the medium tone one. I should have took a picture of the dark and the light just so you guys could see compared to it, but yeah, this is their foundation. So let me get in here. I'm so excited to try out some new Dollar Tree products. So again, it is a semi-matte finish, so I cannot wait to see what that means for me and my oily skin and how it wears, how it looks, if the color matches. So I'm really excited about that. It comes with 0.34 fluid ounces, 10 ml. So yeah, that was the last product. Let me know what you're excited to see in my next full face of Dollar Tree. I'm really excited, and I cannot wait to update you guys on all these other products that I purchased. Let me know what your favorite product was. How's your Dollar Tree going? Are you guys finding new stuff? Let me know in the comments down below. I really love filming these type of videos. I hope they add new stuff soon. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.